Om Namo Narayanaya. Anevarukkum Vanakkam. A very good evening to everyone. I am Radhe Sita Periyanan. Vasantha Utsavam எட்டாம் நாள் கலை நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு உங்களை அன்போடு வரவேற்கிறேன். It is my great pleasure to welcome all of you to the 9th day of the Vasantha Utsavam at Sri Srinivasa Perumal Temple. The special Alangaram of today is Saraswati Alangaram and the Andal Alangaram. First, Goddess Saraswati, the divine embodiment of knowledge, wisdom, arts, and learning. She is the mother of all creative expression and intellect. Her presence inspires us to seek truth, cultivate wisdom, and pursue excellence in all we do. When Saraswati Devi is adorned, it's a beautiful reminder of the purity of the knowledge and the beauty of intellectual pursuit. And alongside her, we have the profound presence of Sri Andal. Sri Andal is considered an epitome of pure, unadulterated love for Lord Sri Srinivasa Perumal. Her divine love, expressed through her exquisite Tamil Vedam, Diya Prabhasanam Tirupavai, continues to inspire millions. To have both Saraswati and Andal adorned simultaneously is a truly rare and spiritually enriching experience. It signifies the union of divine wisdom with ultimate devotion, reminding us that knowledge without devotion is incomplete, and devotion finds its truest expression through understanding and wisdom. Now, let us welcome Guru Shibani Roy. On the tabla, we have Mihir Kundu. On the keyboard, we have Guru Prakash Gopal Krishnan. Let us also welcome the guest of honor for today, Engineer Mr. Purushothaman, Management Committee, Sri Srinivasa Perumal Temple, to do the honors. Mr. Purushothaman, please.
Me supporting tabla, my student Abhinav Bhima.
Sorry?
Abhinav is supporting me.
We also have a supporting student for the tabla. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Purushothaman. Without further ado, let us welcome our MC for today, Ms. Shweta Singhal, for this segment.
Namaskaram, Vanakkam, and a very good evening to all respected guests, devotees, and Rasikas. On behalf of Singapore Indian Fine Arts Society, it is my honor to welcome each and every one of you to this sacred and joyous celebration, Vasant Utsav 2025, a festival that heralds the spirit of spring, devotion, and divine love. We are especially grateful to the Hindu Endowment Board for their unwavering support and for providing this wonderful opportunity to Sifas to present a special Hindustani vocal recital in this temple of devotion. This evening we gather not just as an audience but as seekers of bhakti, of beauty, and of the eternal music that connects us to the divine. Today's presentation is titled Meera, the Quest for the Divine, an offering of love music and surrender inspired by the life of the 16th century mystic saint Meera Bai, whose devotion to Lord Krishna transcended all barriers. I'm Shweta and I will be guiding you through this bhajan recital segment inspired by Meera's devotion. Through narration and soul-stirring bhajans, we will retrace Meera's spiritual journey, her trials, her unwavering love, and the music that became her path to the Lord. And it gives us immense pleasure to share that tonight's bhajan recital will be presented by none other than Guru Shibani Roy, Senior Faculty of Hindustani Classical Vocal at Sifas, along with her two students, Brinda and Sindhu, accompanied by Guru Mihir Kundu, Master Faculty Tabla, and Guru Prakash Gopal Krishnan on keyboard from Sifas. Together, they will offer a musical tribute to Mirabai's divine longing and timeless devotion. Tonight's recital is woven around segments from Mirabai's life, moments that defined her spiritual journey and deepened her love for Lord Krishna. From her childhood wonder through her trials and resistance to her final union with divine, each narrative segment will be followed by a bhajan carefully chosen to reflect the emotion and devotion of Meera's path. Let's begin with today's recital presentation with an introduction of Mirabai's early life. Mirabai is one of the most revered saints in Hinduism. Her life, which spanned the 16th century, is a story of devotion, resilience, and transcendence. Mirabai was born in 1498 in the royal family of Mehta, Rajasthan, India. She came from a family of Rajput nobility, but Meera chose the spiritual path of bhakti, defying societal norms. It was not long before she saw him not just as a deity, but as a divine lover, the center of her existence. राज महल की राजकुमारी थी मीरा, कृष्ण भक्ति में लीन, रंगों से भरी जिंदगी थी पर मन था रंग विहीन। कृष्णा की मुरली का सुर दिल में हर पल था संग, बचपन की अटखेलियों में मनमोहक था बस कृष्ण रंग। From a very young age, Meera's heart was with Krishna and she spent long hours singing bhajans and meditating. According to legend, when she asked her mother who her husband was, her mother pointed to a statue of Krishna, declaring him Meera's eternal spouse. This moment would define her life. Let's start today's evening with a soulful Meera bhajan, Savra Mari Preet Nibhajo, by Guru Shivani Roy, along with Brinda and Sindhu, accompanied by Guru Mihir Kundu on tabla and Guru Prakash on keyboard and Abhinav. you enjoyed this soulful rendition. Now let's move into the next chapter of Meera's life, one marked by Meera's marriage into royalty and the challenges that tested her unwavering devotion to Krishna. At a young age, Meera was married to Prince of Chittor, but despite the grandeur of palace life, her heart never strayed from Krishna. Her marriage, while a bond of duty, did not diminish her divine love for Krishna. Her family disapproved of her open expressions of devotion. It was said that she even declared in her prayers that Krishna was her only true husband and all other relationships were secondary. Despite family pressures, Meera remained committed to her path. Her husband, Prince of Chittor, tolerated her spiritual pursuits, but after his untimely death, her in-laws became hostile. According to legend, they attempted to poison her multiple times, but Meera, with Krishna's protection, survived each attempt. राजा की दुल्हन थी मीरा, पर मन में थी कृष्णा की आस। मीरा को सुध नहीं, हर पल थी बेरंग और उदास। विष का प्याला दिया अपनों ने, पर मीरा जीती हर बार। विष का प्याला दिया अपनों ने, पर मीरा जीती हर बार। भक्ति की इस राह में कृष्ण बने उसके कवच और विश्वास। Let's now immerse ourselves in Meera's devotion through the timeless bhajan, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो।
पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो। वस्तु अमोलिक दी मेरे सतगुरु, वस्तु अमोलिक दी मेरे सतगुरु। कृपा कर अपनायो, पायो
I'm sure you all must have felt that happiness and relate with Meera's profound joy and state of bliss. From this joyful devotion, we now move into Meera's struggle in married life. Having declared her soul bond with Krishna, the pressures of her royal life grew. So did her longing for Krishna. Meera now leaves behind the walls and comforts of the palace and walks the path of a wandering devotee, composing verses from the depths of her soul, singing in temples, streets, and hearts alike. Mere to Giridhar Gopal, dusro na koi, is a heartfelt outpouring of Meera Bai's divine love and absolute surrender to her beloved Krishna. The world didn't understand her devotion, yet she found peace and solace in love of Krishna alone. It was during her spiritual journey that Meera composed over 1,000 bhajans, each filled with devotion and longing and her complete surrender to the divine. Her compositions resonated not only in royal courts but also in villages and temples, touching the hearts of people from all walks of life. Her bhajans echoed with her longing for Krishna, and the world began to see the soul of a saint who had no fear, no regret, just divine love. गली गली में मीरा कृष्ण का नाम गुनगुनाए, दिल के अंधेरों में उनका प्रेम रोशनी बनाए. मंदिर हो या महफिल, बस थी कृष्ण की ही लगन. मंदिर हो या महफिल, बस थी कृष्ण की ही लगन. मीरा गाने लगी हरि गुण, बस होके मगन. In our next bhajan, we will witness a fearless Meera, unbound by societal norms, unapologetic in her devotion and utterly surrendered to her Lord. मैं गिरधर आगे नाचूंगी is not just a song but a bold declaration of divine love expressed through dance. Please enjoy this beautiful composition that reflects the fearless spirit of her devotion.
मैं गिरधर आगे नाचूंगी, मैं गिरधर आगे नाचूंगी. मनमोहन आगे नाचूंगी, मनमोहन धीम धीम ता ना 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 रे ता दा नी धीम धीम ता ना 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 रे ता ना धीम धीम ता ना ना रे ता ना धीम धीम ता गिड़ तक धुम गिड़ तक दिता धीम धीम ता ना ता गिड़ तक धुम गिड़ तक दिता धीम धीम ता ना रे ता दिता रानी धीम धीम ता ना रे ता दिता रानी धीम धीम ता ना रे ओ धनी ता ना रे नाई धीम ता ना रे ना ओ धनी ता ना रे नाई धीम ता ना रे ना 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 धीम ता ना 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 रे ना धीम ता ना 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 रे ना ना दिता दिता रानी धीम धीम ता ना रे ना दिता दिता रानी धीम ता ना 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 दिता दिता रानी धीम ता ना ना दिता दिता रानी दिता दिता रानी ना दिता दिता रानी
As we just witnessed through this powerful composition, Meera's devotion knew no bounds, but such fearless love came at a price. In this next phase of her life, we see Meera face intense trials, rejection, exile, and even threats to her life. Yet through it all, she triumphed with unwavering faith, turning every hardship into a step closer to her beloved Giridhar. The trials Mirabai faced were countless. The royal family disapproved of her devotion to Krishna. One famous legend recounts how her brother-in-law Rana Uday Singh of Mewar sent her a basket of snakes to kill her. When Meera opened the basket, the snakes had miraculously transformed into flowers, showing the divine protection that surrounded her. Krishna was her protector, and she had surrounded to him completely. Another famous tale is that when her in-laws tried to poison her, Meera offered the poison to Krishna and she drank it. It turned into nectar. Her love for him was beyond fear, beyond doubt, a love that transcended all earthly suffering. Meera was completely immersed in devotion. Her body and soul longed only for her beloved Giridhar. Her days were filled with tears, not of sorrow, but of divine desire. This deep emotional state finds voice in this moving bhajan, Naina Neer Bahai, where every tear becomes a prayer and every sigh a song of love. Please enjoy this beautiful composition that captures Meera's devotion in its purest, most vulnerable form. all felt the deep emotion in Naina Neer Bahai and could relive the hardships Meera endured in her journey of devotion. As we reflect on Meera's journey, let us now turn to her enduring legacy and the spiritual teachings that continue to inspire millions. Meera eventually sought refuge in Vrindavan, Krishna's birthplace. Meerabai's legacy lives on. Her teachings were clear that the path to God is through love and complete surrender, and one doesn't need to follow rituals or societal norms to experience divine union. She showed us that true devotion is unconditional and it opens the doors to eternal bliss. To continue experiencing her spiritual journey and teachings, we now present the next bhajan, Naina Baan Padi. Here, Meera's gaze becomes like arrows of longing, expressing the silent plea of her heart to Krishna. Let us immerse ourselves once again in a timeless devotion through this soulful bhajan. soul stirring rendition, Meera's longing and devotion, truly come alive through every note. Now, as we come close to this bhajan recital segment, we wish you a very peaceful good night, and may the solace of divinity fill your hearts and guide your paths always. I just want to close this segment with few lines which I wrote on Meera. मीरा जैसी रानी कृष्ण की दीवानी और कोई नहीं, मीरा जैसी रानी कृष्ण की दीवानी और कोई नहीं, जिसके दिल में बसी एक प्रेम की धुन और कोई नहीं, वो जहाँ भी गई संग कृष्ण के ही रही, श्रद्धा और विश्वास से भरी मीरा की है ये कहानी. थैंक यू सो मच.
Now, let us welcome on stage Mr. Minhas Khan. Mr. Minhas Khan, please. Miss Janani Hari. Miss Neha. Miss Sharda Sapra. And last but not least, Miss Hetal Chauhan. Now may I invite Mr. Purushothaman to do the honors, please. Mr. Purushothaman, please.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome all to this Kathak segment now. Today's Kathak recital is going to be presented by Guru Minhas Khan and his students from CIFAS. The theme of the Kathak segment is Krishna Sabha. It is a Thumri composition-based segment. The Thumri name is Aso Hatilo Chhel. Thumri is a hero and heroine based song, can be described as the song of the heart. It primarily focused on Shringar Rasa, sometimes with dual spiritual love. This song is between Radha and Krishna, where both are playfully troubling each other, and in the end their love is eternal. The song starts with a doha, an intro where Radha plucking some flowers and naughty Krishna troubles her. Then Krishna is not letting her go back home after filling water from the river Yamuna. He is blocking her way and breaking the pot of water. Radha is annoyed by Krishna. She catches him and dresses him like a girl. She is wonderstruck and surprised that even in the girl form, Lord Krishna is so adorable and beautiful. In the same way, the Paramatma plays with us in our mundane life too, just to see how deep our devotion towards him is. This Thumri is based on Rag Desh and set in Bhajani Tal, written and composed by legend Guru late Pandit Narayan Prasad Ji. It is sung by Ustad Sami Ullah Khan, choreographed by Guru Jyotika Joshi. Let us now watch the beautiful chhed-chhad between Krishna and Radha in this song presenting Aso Hatilo Chhel. It will be followed by Madhurashtakam, Niratadhang, Shiv Panchakshara Stotra, and Savara Giridhar. Please enjoy the performance.
एक समय ग्रह सो निकसे आली पहन के चीर कुसुम्बे की साड़ी खेलत कूदत जाए रही सखी जाए रही नंद लाल की बारी नंद लाल की बारी कांच कली एक ताड़ लई जिन कारण बाह मरोरत भारी आग लगे ब्रिज की बगियन को एक फूल के कारण लाख दीदारी ऐसो हटेलो छैल मगरो कत है गिरधारी बनवारी ऐसो हटेलो छैल मगरो कत है गिरधारी बनवारी ऐसो हटेलो छैल मगरो कत है गिरधारी बनवारी ऐसो हटेलो छैल मगरो कत है हूँ जल जमुना बरन जात रही हूँ जल जमुना बरत जात रही हूँ जल जमुना बरन 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 जात रही आन अचानक मटकी फोरी आन अचानक मटकी फोरी ऐसो नंद जी को छैला ऐसो नंद जी को छैला मुझसे करे सिरार ऐसो हटेलो छैल मगरो कत है गिरधारी बनवारी ऐसो हटेलो छैल मगरो कत है कहत नारायण देखो श्याम को 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 सखियन के सो नाच नचायो, सखियन के सो नाच नचायो। आज देखो कैसे फंसे, आज देखो कैसे फंसे जी बिहारी, जी बिहारी। ऐसो हटीलो छैल मगरो कहत है गिरधारी बनवारी। 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 ऐसो हटीलो छैल, ऐसो हटीलो छैल, ऐसो हटीलो छैल मगरो कहत है गिरधारी बनवारी। tanana tana dere dadari dani dim tana tana dere na dadari dani dana dana dere na dadari dani dana dana dere na dadari dani dana dana dere na dere na dim tanana na tana dere na dim tanana na tana dere na dim
चलत चाल ही संग, चलत चाल ही संग, चलत चाल ही संग, चलत चाल ही संग संग, चलत चाल ही संग निरतत हे लगती दिखावत हाव भाव, कटाक्ष 16 अंग बनावत, ग्रीवा डोलत कसक मसक, ताल देत निसंग निरतत ढंग हे निरतत संगीत नाचत तबून खरी कीट, तस तातिक दादिक दिल तस नाथैया, गोपी कुछ पर शाम कर सोहे, मानो बैठे भुजंग निरतत ढंग हे निरतत ढंग हे निरतत ढंग, निरतत ढंग।
एक बार बंसी न बाजी घर श्याम सो, गोपी मुस्कात भई निरखत हैं अचरज सो। कान्हा की प्रीत भरी श्वास दई राधा ने, बंसी रिसियाए गई बोलत न श्याम सो। अरे बाजी ना बंसी कई कारण मन बेज गयो, कान्हा कर जोरे ठाड़े पूछत हैं मुरली सो। देख व्यथा कान्हा की बंसी ने मान तजी, फिर बाजी रे बाजी फिर बाजी ब्रिज श्याम सो।
सावरा गिर
Thank you for the wonderful performances today. Let us give another round of applause. And for tomorrow, on our final day, day 10, prepare for the spectacular Perumal Darbar at the same time, 7:30 p.m. This grand event will transport you to a regal kingdom featuring rows of Tavil and Nadaswaram Vidwans performing in unison, creating a truly magnificent sight for Sri Srinivasa Perumal Darbar. Thank you and see you all again.
Now let's honor our MC too, Ms. Sita, on stage here. And let me call Mr. Purushothaman on stage, please. A small token of appreciation to our MC for today. Let's give a big applause.